Today I'm bringing you a recipe that will definitively end this problem you're facing right now. So stay until the end of the video so you don't miss this wonderful technique. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you not one, but two incredibly simple homemade recipes that will wipe out your entire ant problem. And you probably already have everything you need in your kitchen right now. So for the first recipe, grab a small container. You're going to add 1 heaping teaspoon of granulated sugar. I'm using Demerara here, but any granulated sugar works. Refined white sugar? I've tested it. It's not as effective. Stick with granulated. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, the exact same one sitting in your kitchen cabinet. Mix them together. Then add 2 tablespoons of water and stir until you get a thick, paste-like consistency. That's it. That's your weapon. Here's the science that makes this so powerful. Ants don't actually eat this mixture themselves. They carry it back to the anthill, where it gets converted into fungus. And that's what the colony feeds on. The queen feeds on it. But here's the problem for them. Ants cannot digest baking soda. Once the mixture dries inside the colony, it slowly kills them from the inside out. To use it on your plants, just place a small amount around the rim of the pot. The ants will find it, carry it home, and the whole colony collapses. You can line the entire pot if the infestation is bad. Simple, natural, and devastatingly effective. Here is the second recipe. Now this one doesn't kill, it blocks. Think of it as an invisible force field around your home. Take 1 capful of nail polish remover, pure acetone. Add 50 milliliters of white vinegar and 50 milliliters of water. Pour the whole thing into a spray bottle. Now spray it everywhere ants have been showing up. Kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, doorways, windowsills. Anywhere you spray this, ants will not cross. They hate it. It disrupts their scent trails and keeps them from re-entering. Use both of these together and you're not just killing the ants you can see, you're destroying the colony and sealing your home against new ones. 1 application, that's all it takes. Try it and let me know in the comments how fast it works for you. See you in the next one on how to kill cockroaches with 3 ingredients.